Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Real English News, and this is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's headlines. The State Governor ESL Narasimhan convened a meeting of officials with regards to Telangana oil on Wednesday. BJP gears up for the Panchayat election in Maheshwaram. The state's political scene is undergoing changes with every passing day. There is a rally of political leaders shifting their loyalties to other political parties. A youth dies on the spot after falling from a running bus and coming under the rear wheel of the bus. Headlines in details. A meeting was convened under the supervision of Governor ECL Narasimha at Raj Bhavan on Wednesday. During the meeting, Mr. Governor issued important instructions with regards to the revenue of the two regions. He also directed income revenue officials to complete all tasks before 2nd of June. It may be remembered that the central government has planned to form the state of Telangana as the next state of India by the June 2nd. Mr. Narasimha directed all officials to complete their task well before the deadline and help in the smooth transmission to the new state. There are a lot of twists and turns going on in the political scenes of the state of Andhra Pradesh. Former Congress MLA Mr. Veera Shiva Reddy quit the Congress party to join the TDP. At the same time, Kadappa's former mayor, former ZPTC member and others also joined the TDP. Talking to the media reporters, Mr. Reddy raised questions on the functioning of the Congress party. He also claimed that the development of the Seema Andhra region was only possible under the leadership of Mr. Chandrababu Naidu.
చేరడం జరిగింది. రాష్ట్ర విభజన నేపథ్యంలో ఒక్క చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారికి స్వర్ణాంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నిర్మించడం జరుగుతుందనే భావంతో ఈ రోజు తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీలో చేరడం జరిగింది. కడప జిల్లాలో తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ అభ్యర్థులను గెలిపించేదానికి కమలాపురం, జమ్మలమడుగు, ప్రొద్దుటూరు, మైదుకూరు అన్ని స్థానాల్లో జిల్లా అంతా కూడా గెలిపించేదానికి కృషి చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అందరినీ కలుపుకొని పార్టీ పురోభివృద్ధికి పార్టీ అభ్యర్థుల గెలుపు కోసం కృషి చేస్తాం.
The BJP is getting up for the Panchayat election of Maheshwaram. Maheshwaram constituency, Badangpet, is to see Panchayat election soon. The BJP has decided to field its candidate for all 20 wards. The election campaign at Balapur saw the participation of BJP state leader Shankar Reddy. The voting for the Panchayat election would take place on 30th of April. The voting for the Zilla and Mandal Parishads would take place on 6th of May. The BJP leader seems to be full throttle for the election campaign this time.
रंगारेड्डी जिला में महेश्वरम कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से भारतीय जनता पार्टी बड़ंगपेट नगर पंचायती में 17 वार्ड कंटेस्ट कर रही और कंदकूर महेश्वरम सरूनगर मंडलम में 84 एमपीटीसी है. 84 में हम लोग 71 हम लड़ाई कर रहे कैंडिडेटों को खड़ा करें और 3 जेडपीटीसियों को भारतीय जनता पार्टी उम्मीदवार भी इलेक्शन में लड़ रहे. इस इलेक्शन में भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक ही नारे पे जनता के सामने जा रही. जो देश को 10 साल से लूटा कांग्रेस पार्टी, भ्रष्टाचार सरकार केंद्र में चलाया और अपना महेश्वरम कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में लगभग 100 करोड़ का ये मिसयूज करे, करप्शन किया ये कांग्रेस पार्टी द्वारा.
An unknown body was found near Vidyanagar has sent shockwave across the area. According to the police, a man approximately 40-year-old's dead body was found on Wednesday morning. The police shifted the dead body to the Osmania Hospital for a post-mortem. The police are searching for the kins of the deceased. The body is being kept at the Osmania Hospital morgue. The inspector of police, Mr. Shankar, said that the police is investigating into this matter. A college student died on the spot after coming under the front wheel of a bus after he had fallen from a running bus. According to the details, 17-year-old intermediate student Muhammad Abdul Nazim, a resident of Kishanbagh, was traveling in a bus. Near the Bahadurpura crossroad, he lost his balance and came under the front wheel of the bus. He died on the spot. Bahadurpura police is busy in the investigation of this case. The family and the resident of the Kishanbagh are under shock after coming when they heard this incident. Let's have a look on sports updates. India Super Series may see a semi-final between PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. Rafael Nadal reaches the quarterfinals of Miami Masters. Manchester City beat Manchester United 3-0 in rugby. Record-breaking by AM claims title with 7 games remaining. Kapil Dev says Virat Kohli can be better than Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Today's stock market. Sensex 22,095.30 with 0.16%, whereas Nifty 6,598.65, 0.14%. Gold and silver rates for today's. 22 carats gold for 10 grams is 27,380, whereas for 24 carat gold for 10 grams is 29,280, whereas silver rates is 43,595 kgs. Let's have a look on today's weather updates. Hyderabad, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 34 degrees Celsius. Kadapa, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Kurnool, 23 degrees Celsius minimum and maximum 34 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad, 21 minimum temperature whereas maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Warangal, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 23 degrees Celsius. Let's have headlines once again. The State Governor ESL Narasimhan convened a meeting of officials with regards to Telangana oil on Wednesday. BJP gears up for the Panchayat election in Maheshwaram. The state's political scene is undergoing changes with every passing day. There is a rally of political leaders shifting their loyalties to other political parties. A youth dies on the spot after falling from a running bus and coming under the rear wheel of the bus. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.